Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna be doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. Now, the first video that I saw like that was from Nick Tutorials, so I assume that she's the first one who came up with the challenge, and all credit for the idea goes to her. I watched her video and I was like, this is a really cool idea, I wanna try it out too. And while I was watching her video, I really wanted to Google my name and I really wanted to see the results and, see what is going to come up for me. But I didn't. I don't let my curiosity rule me anymore. Bad things happen when it does, so don't ask me how I do it. It's years of training. I didn't want it to ruin my surprise, so I have no idea what is coming up now. Wish me good luck. I'm also feeling a little bit sick. It's really annoying. My nose is stuffy, it's blocked, no air is going in, no air is going out. It's off duty today, so bear with me. I'm stuffed with vitamins and tea. Cheers. And my cup says happier than a unicorn eating a cake on a rainbow. That's me. Okay, I've been talking a lot. Let's get started. So the challenge is I have to do my makeup is using the colors and just being inspired by the first image that comes in the Google search. So let's see what it is. The letter of my first name is D. The letter of my last name is M. So DM look search images. That's actually makeup. Come on. I'm being super lucky right now. This is actually related to makeup. I'm a little bit disappointed because I got lucky. It has pinks and blacks and there is an actual makeup look in that photo. Like, that's not challenging at all. I don't want to do something that easy. I want something challenging. I came here to be challenged and I'm not being challenged at all. So, okay, let's try something different. And whatever comes, I'm doing it. I promise I'm not changing it. So here in Bulgaria, all of us have a first name, a middle name, which is the name of the father, and then a third name, which is our surname. So let's try to see what is going to come up. So the letter of my first name D, my middle name S, and my last name M. DSM look. Let's see. What is that? It's a 1955 money clip. And it says money, 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 money. Okay, I said that there is no going back. Whatever comes up, I'm doing it. And I'm kind of regretting it already because that pink look would be so much easier. But no. You wanted to be challenged, Denny. Here, take your challenge now. Now with that money clip, I need to goad myself up. I need some tea. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Eyeshadow Palette. I mentioned that palette in my previous video. It's all about that goat feeling. That's exactly what we're going for today. So let me take a brush. I washed my brushes yesterday. It feels so good. I'm still tired and emotionally exhausted from that experience, but I mean, they're all nice and clean today. So I'm gonna start off with this color here. I'm gonna take it on the Sigma E25 and this is going in my crease. And see, I'm not feeling like doing something very easy today. I want to do something a little bit more complicated. For some reason, I'm feeling like torturing myself today. I'm not really sure how it's going to come up, but I'm hoping for the best. Next, I'm switching to a bigger blending brush and I'm gonna take this orangey color here and I'm gonna buff that in my crease. This is going to help and blend out the previous eyeshadow, make it look very nice and smooth, I guess. No harsh lines. This is what we want. Alright, next I'm taking my favorite goat eyeshadow. It's this one here. And this is the Makeup Addiction Flaming Love eyeshadow palette. Now I want to add some glitter, but I also want to do some kind of a eyeliner kind of thing. I'm gonna do some chemistry now. I'm taking the Smolder Loose Glam Dust in the shade Bronze Glow. And this is again Smolder Loose Glam Dust in the shade Gold Digga. That's exactly how I want to look today. And then to make this mixture liquidy, I'm gonna use the Smolder Potion. Like what, maybe 2-3 drops? I don't know. And I'm gonna mix that. Oh, it needs more. Okay, now I have to be a little bit quicker with that because it's drying out really quickly. So what I'm gonna do, just look, don't ask. This is not how I had this look in my mind, but I love how it's coming out because this thing, the eyeliner thing that I did on my eyes, when I'm looking up straight, you're able to see it, but when I do this, it's like, whoop, it's disappearing. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. Honestly, I have no idea where this look is going, but I hope it's going in a good place. I kind of want to make it more defined, but I don't know, I see some very dark, like dark browns here, so I guess, you know, I can add some dark brown, but where? Where to put that dark brown? Help me? What do you guys think of something like that? I like it. It took me 15 minutes to outline that, but I'm gonna try to do my other eye on camera. It's gonna be difficult. It was difficult to do that on camera. It was really difficult, but I love how it's coming up. I think that I like it so much. But we're not done yet. I told you that we're adding glitter, so that's our next step. This is again the Smolder Cosmetics Radiant Glitter Gold Rush. I was about to say Gold Blush, but it's Gold Rush. So I'm gonna start off with the BH Cosmetics Base Booster. This is like a glitter glue, so I'm gonna add that on my eyelid before adding the glitter. Okay, glitter, here we go. Ooh la la la. Glitter for some glam, because why not? Now I'm gonna leave the eyes to rest for a while. I'm gonna give them a break because a lot of work was done here. So now I'm taking just a regular makeup wipe and I'm gonna clean under my eyes. I have some glitter. Let's get rid of it. Right, now I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna add that under my eyes and blending it out. I already have my foundation on, so I'm gonna contour my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And of course, some bronzer. This is the Hula Light by Benefit. So I want to go with a gold highlighter, but on me, I'm always avoiding the gold highlighters because, I don't know, for some reason I like using more pinkish highlighters. I don't know, I find them looking better on me. So today it's going to be, you know, Denny going out of her comfort zone, so let's do that. Sometimes I'm feeling excited going out of my comfort zone. Other times I'm like terrified, I don't want to do that. But today is the day that I'm feeling excited, doing something different, so my brush is still a little bit wet because, as I said, I washed all of my brushes yesterday and it's making that highlighter to come out even more intense. And I'm not mad. Right, I also want to add some of these highlighter here. This is the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush face highlighter and contour palette. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has lots of shimmers and like tiny glitters inside there. So, you know, I'm gonna add that on my face. My nose doesn't really deserve any highlighter today because it's been getting on my nerves for the past few days, being so stuffy and nasty, but what can I do? It's part of me. Now I'm using some powder to set the concealer under my eyes. This is by Terry Hydra Powder. I'm mixing these two colors here and I'm gonna smudge them along my lower lashes. I also added some falsies to the look. These are the Esqido lashes in the style Gin&Tonic. Now, moving on to the lips. Hold on, I need to sharpen my lip pencil. This is the Motifs lip liner in the shade Dusty Rose. So I'm gonna use it to line my lips. And then on top of it, I'm going with the CoverGirl Queen Collection lipstick in the shade Cakewalk. Let me try to do something. Okay, that's not bad. This is the Yayy lip topper in the shade Skinny Dip. It's really nice. It has some shimmers in it. It's not just a regular lip gloss, it's something that will make you feel a lot more glam and fancy and beautiful and happy. Some setting spray. Alrighty guys, and this is the final look. Look at it. So pretty. I'm so proud of myself. It took me a while. It required a lot of patience, but I'm so happy with the end result. I think that it took me so long because I didn't have like a clear image in my mind of what I was going for. I knew for sure that I wanted to do that whip kind of eyeliner, and I knew that I wanted it to be gold and like shimmery and glittery and all of that, but this is not how I had it in my mind. So I was a little bit like, okay, what we're doing now? Should I do that or should I skip that? I wasn't going like straight for this kind of look, so that's why it took me a while. But I think that I came pretty close to the colors of that image, and you know, the idea of that. I mean, my eyes look expensive, they look shiny. I want to thank Nikki so much for coming up with this challenge. I think that if it wasn't for that challenge, I would never come up with a look like that. I just felt so inspired, and isn't it so weird that we can get inspired from so random things? Like, I got inspired for this look from a money clip. How we should name this look? It really reminds me of Egypt and Cleopatra, but let me know your ideas. Let me know down in the comments how we should name this look. So I really hope you guys like the look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press the bell button next to the subscribe button, because that way you're gonna be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. All of the links will be down in the description box. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.